So put it back. See if I can work this in just a bit further. Eventually what I'm going to have to do is to put some glue on the top surface of this leather to and then apply pressure on the top when we actually apply the ties to really put the whole thing under strain. So it'll be as good as I'm going to get. So what I'm going to do now is put some glue on this top surface. Now, one thing I've learned from using leather labels is leather really starts to get it starts to give up, old leather, if you slather it in glue and then try to manipulate it when it's old and dry and cracked, which is what this leather is. So I'm being quite cautious with it. Like so. Now we go back, try and get as much tightness as possible again. This is the kind of thing that's just irritating, and which these scissors are very good at getting rid of. Okay, all right, same deal. We're going to put glue now underneath here. Can we flatten? There we go. Same deal. This goes back. Okay, now we're in a position to vise the book. So, now these compartments are actually quite big. There's only two of them and they're quite big. So I'm going to use 2 ties per compartment to go in the opposite way, as it were, to this coffee. This one down against there. Next time we're going to do the opposite way. This is where the shims are going to be very, very important for putting pressure down on this old leather and making sure it really sticks flat. Okay, third side on. Oops. Fourth tie goes on. Okay, just in place there. I may have enough time. I might do a fifth and sixth, top and bottom, but the first thing I want to do is just get the most important thing is to get the shims in place. So there we go. I'm not gonna put a tie over the top and the bottom. It's just too narrow, basically. I don't think it would stay in place. So now what I'm in a position to do